Hey everyone, welcome back to MrPhoneDoctor.com. Before we begin today's episode, I just want to give a huge shout out for everyone who has liked, subscribed, and shared our YouTube channel. It means so much to us. And if you do have any repairs, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to send you a prepaid label and get your device back to you in a nice, timely manner. So today we're going to be going over replacing a front glass screen on the iWatch Series 3. Now in this method we are going to remove the broken glass digitizer from the original OLED that came on the device and put a new front glass digitizer onto the OLED. This will work fine as long as your original OLED is working properly, doesn't have any bleeding or discoloration. So let's get back into the shop and let's get this sucker dissected. Okay, so this is the display we're going to be working on. So first things before we remove it, we're going to want to go ahead and kill the power. We always want to kill the power on all the devices before we start poking around in there, just to prevent any kind of shortage or current going through. I am going to want to go in and remove any kind of glass that is protruding out above. As you can see, all this is going to get in the way when we're going and cutting the OLED off from the glass. So I'm going to clip this. The glass is separated. You can see here everything is built in, digitizer and glass. So next step is we're going to want to go ahead and clean the OCA off this. Alright, so we got it nice and clean. So we're going to want to go ahead and test the digitizer that we're going to be applying. So we'll just seat it in and attach it to the watch. Make sure that touch and everything's fully responsive. Let's go ahead and test the digitizer before we glue it onto the OLED. Just want to make sure that the touch and everything is fully responsive, which you can see here, everything looks perfect. So let's go ahead and get the OLED attached. Alright, we are now ready to attach the glass digitizer onto the OLED. Here is the Series 3 OLED, the glass digitizer, and we are going to be using Loca here with a UV light to cure it. The UV curing process has finished. Here is the final finished product. You can see that this came out beautiful. No bubbles or any kind of blemishes whatsoever. This is a solid repair. Our next step is we are going to want to go ahead and attach it back onto the watch, test the touch, make sure it is fully working. You can see this is the same OLED that we started with. She looks cherry. No bubbles. Let's go ahead and test the touch. And there we are. Everything is working perfect. You can see how beautiful she came out. No bubbles or anything. So this pretty much wraps up our video on the Apple Series 3 watch. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like, feel free to share this video. Give us a like, and we'll see you guys in the future with more repair videos. Cheers.